In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these fabulous low-carb diabetic cinnamon biscuits, or bagels if you make them right. Simple ingredients, and guess what? I'll tell you how these burn fat.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
Grab your shopping list because you're going to want to add these items to it. We have cinnamon, which most of us probably have in our cabinet, and you see great value. Y'all know I shop at Walmart and Kroger. Greek yogurt, Swerve, and our CARBQUIK. And I'm gonna tell you how these all help to burn fat in a minute.
So Swerve is made from select ingredients from different fruits and vegetables. So it's 0 calorie, it's non-GMO, it is absolutely awesome. But the only thing I disagree with Swerve and a lot of our other sugar replacers, be it you use allulose, be it you use monk fruit, is that I don't measure cup for cup. I feel like it gives an aftertaste when it does that. And I'm gonna do a video down the road on how to cook with sugar replacers because we make a lot of mistakes. But I encourage you to use half the amount. So if you use a cup of sugar, use a cup of Swerve. Or if the recipe calls for a cup of Swerve, use half a cup. It's really gonna make a difference in that taste.
Get your bowl, measuring cup, measuring spoons. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and we're gonna start with a cup of CARBQUIK. And I'm gonna come back and talk about CARBQUIK in a second, and then we're gonna add to that a cup of our Greek yogurt. CARBQUIK really is a big winner for this recipe. Now, a lot of y'all are gonna ask if you could use almond flour, and a lot of my clients ask about almond flour. I love it, it's just not gonna work within this recipe. And hey, where are my manners? If you're new, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly, aka Dietitian Shelly. I spend my days working in my outpatient clinic, and I post videos here weekly covering diabetes, prediabetes, insulin resistance, and more. So if you're ready to lower your blood sugars, get control of your hormones, lose some weight, all while eating yummy foods, learning realistic tips without busting your budget, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. But back to our CARBQUIK. This is found at Walmart, so you can definitely buy it there. But the thing about CARBQUIK and diabetes is that CARBQUIK is loaded with fiber. And fiber is very important in maintaining our blood sugar levels. It kind of creates like a mesh that slows down the absorption of glucose. In fact, there was a 2015 study that showed feeding participants a high fiber bread, I believe it was 10 grams, reduced glucose spikes by over 35%. The other fat burner in here is protein in our Greek yogurt. A lot of y'all are going to ask if I can use regular yogurt. No, we want to use Greek yogurt because of the amount of protein. Protein promotes satiety. Satiety is the feeling of fullness, so this will help prevent us from munching. But also Greek yogurt's very low on the glycemic scale. And foods low in the glycemic index will produce less blood glucose and insulin, which will have us avoid creating fat. Bada bing, bada boom. You saw I added a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of Swerve. Now here's the thing, I personally do not like over sweet items. You can add more. You could do a glaze for this at the end. I just don't. I don't like things overtly or dumbly sweet. Push this to the side, line your pan. Y'all know my infatuation with this pan. It's old and I love it. With your nonstick aluminum foil, you're also gonna grab some parchment paper and you're gonna throw that dough on there. Now you see I'm using my hands. You can absolutely use the mixer with the hook, but I'm lazy. I do not like to do dishes, and I'm dividing it among sticks. So I'm making this in the form of a biscuit. You kind of see I'm rolling it and I'm flattening out. Could you do a pretty bagel? Could you do like the silicone little donut things and all that fun stuff? You absolutely can. I never like to fuss folks for, doing what they want to do. And we're going to go ahead, once this is done, bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes. And we have kind of a sweet bread, cinnamon bagel, cinnamon biscuit. If you were too busy listening and not writing, scroll in that description box. I got the full recipe. And hey, while you're down there, be sure to download my 7-day menu. It's going to help you balance your blood sugars, lose weight. I'm Dietitian Shelly, gang. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.